to use block. First of all, you need to get dependencies in your PubSpec YAML. We need to add block and Flutter Bloc. Use this version or update this version from PubSpec YAML. Okay, first of all, after pub-get, you need to create folder block and create block. You can use plugin block. In Android Studio you can add it in shared preferences. Use plugins and block. After installing this plugin, you can use shortcut and simple add new block or commit. You can add some name and it generate block event and state. Okay, remove it. And if you're talking about block, it's a business logic component. Block include event and state. Block receiving event and providing state on your page. You can use block consumer for building your state and your UI using this state, and you can check state, and if the state is loaded, we will build list of orders. Currently we can provide method on load order event. First of all, for this you need create method on, provide your event and two parameter event and emit. After this you can create your event, new one, some maybe get analytics, extend from abstract class home event. After this, in home block you can listen it, get analytics, but don't forget name event in the end. It will be easier to use in future. And after this you can emit any state which you provided in home state, loaded, initial, loading or home error. You can maybe home loading maybe provide, do something. And after this you can emit home loaded and provide orders, list empty, for example. And if you do something, you must use try and catch, and use this. Okay, and you can catch some error or exception. Or use stack trace or something else. And emit your error like this image home error and show it maybe. But for example, currently we use load orders event showing loading, and after this we imitate loading data from some server or remote source. We waiting 30 seconds. After this we generate some model orders with random number or something else, and after this providing this list of 3 items. On home page we just listen. We can use listener and show something on your screen like error or something else. If like state is home error, we will do something like show scaffold or something else, or alert dialog. Okay. In builder we just listen state and rebuilding all of screen, but currently we return scaffold and using if state for checking current state and show some specific part of screen. Currently we display a circular indicator, or if it loaded we build list view. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.